Good morning, my dear students. My name is SUDHIR Kumar and I will be teaching application of trigonometry. So before understand what application of trigonometry is, we must have to know this term trigonometry as it can be written on the top of the board. So before that, I have to tell you one more thing. Where is the application of trigonometry? If we have to find out the height of the Charminar, Qutub Minar, Eiffel Tower or any vertical things, that without measuring the tape, we just have to apply the trigonometry. So to understand the application of trigonometry, we must know about what trigonometry is. So let's recall it. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics in which we study about the relationship among the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. So right now you can see let ABC be a right angle triangle in which angle B is right angle and this is acute angle theta. We already know that the opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse and the acute angle, this opposite to the acute angle is perpendicular, and where the acute angle lies, that is called base, and you know that this is 90 degree, this is angle. So how many angles exactly here? 3 angles, sir. 1 2 3. And how many sides? 3, sir. 1 2 3 and 3 3 6. There are 6 components. That's why we have studied 6 trigonometric ratios. How many? 6 trigonometric ratios. So that 6 trigonometric ratios are going to play important role in while finding out the height of the Charminar, Qutub Minar or any vertical things. So to understand the application of trigonometry or to find out the height of Charminar, what we have to know, there are 3 basic terminology we have to understand. So first one is the line of sight. What is line of sight? Actually right now I'm watching the lens of this camera. So this line is called the line of sight. Exactly, I have made figure. So this is eye, okay, and looking at the cuboid or anything. So this is line of sight. So what we will define, it is a line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. So this is the things. Now second one is angle. So what is angle of elevation? So everybody has visited the mall. You have already saw the elevator is going up and down. So when elevator is going up, so what my eyes having action, so it is going gradually up. So when we raise our head to look at the object, then there is angle. Then there is formation of angle. Okay, so there is formation of angle. So what is the angle of elevation? The angle of elevation means the angle formed between the line of sight and the horizontal level. Suppose this is lift. Okay, this is at this position, this is right now. So right now this is line of sight and this is horizontal. So angle made between the line of sight and the horizontal is called the angle of elevation. Same way, if we are at the top of any minar and looking at any object, suppose this is powerhouse right now, this is powerhouse, and here I am looking at a sea. So this angle made by the line of sight and the horizontal line, but veering down. When we low down our head, then we are getting the angle, that is angle of depression. Now to understand it, we have to solve an example. With that example we can clearly understand it. So what is that actually? Here suppose a vertical tower lying on the ground. What do you mean by this vertical tower? Vertical tower means the tower is standing at right angle triangle, and from base of the tower, foot of the tower, a point is there which making an angle of elevation at the top of the tower is 30 degree, and this point is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. That tower is AB. And now we have to find out this one, height of the tower. How we can find out? Now let's take an example. This is right angle triangle. We know that this is angle. So where it is lying, that is called base. And opposite to this is perpendicular. And which trigonometric function associates tan theta? So what is it actually? Here tan theta. So what is theta here? 30 degree. What is here? 30 degree. 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to what? P upon B. We already know that P upon B. So this is AB and B is equal to 30 meter. Now tan 30, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3, and this is AB upon 30. This will go this side, 30 upon root 3, and I don't want to see rational number on the denominator, so convert it into the rational number. So there is a process called rationalization. So 30 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. So what we will say here? 30 root 3 upon 3. 10. So now this one, height of the tower is 10 meter. Height of the tower is 10 meter. So in this way we can find out the height of anything. Thank you.